Hi, most of you will have problem answering exercise 6.4, exercise question 6. This question is usually a reverse question where we are trying to find out the raw score from the area given. Okay, so let's read the question. Imagine you have to sit for a computer aptitude test, and the score of this variable is normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 20. Your raw score is 118 and your best friend raw score is 84. You have to calculate the raw score. For question 6, just to calculate the raw score in order to attain is only 2% higher than yours. Now how do we do this question? Given that we only given the probability and we calculate the raw score. Now the usual questions that have been given so far is we're given the raw score and we calculate the z-score, and from the z-score we calculate the probability. So to do this question, we first have to draw a bell curve. Let's put in what we know. The bell curve, the mean is 100, standard deviation is given as 20, u-score 118. Now based on question 2 earlier, you have got your z based on 118 is 0.9. How do we get 0.9? Where z is equals to x minus the mean over standard deviation, which is equals to 118 minus 100 divided by 20, which will give you 0.9. Now based on 0.9, if you get your the table based on 0.9, you will get 0.3159. So the area between the mean to your 118, call this area A, is 0.3159. That's the area. Yeah, so now you're given an area of, you want a probability of 2% higher than yours, and you want to calculate the x, which means this is your x, and you want to know what is this x, given that the area is 2%, which is equivalent to 0.02. Now in order to calculate these questions, let's go back to see what we have. We are given z is equals to x minus mean over standard deviation. Okay, so now we are given, we don't know the x, we know the mean is 100, and we know the standard deviation is 20, but we need to know the z because we can't calculate the x without the z. But all we are given is an area of 0.2 and an area of 0.3159. In order to calculate this total area of A and B, we have to take area is equals to 0.3159 plus 0.02, which is equivalent to 0.3359. Now we're given the area, but we're not given z. So in order to calculate z, we go back to the table, look for the closest value between closest value of 0.3359. Now the closest value is 0.3340 and 0.3365. Now if you trace this back, it's actually the z is 0.98. I'll put it 0.98 because it's closer to it's close between the two. You can choose 0.97 or 0.98. I'll choose 0.98. So for this example, I'll choose 0.98 as my z because that's closest to the area of 0.3359. Now, so in order to calculate x now, you take 0.98 times 20, which is equals to x minus 100. Now, so your x is actually 0.98 times 20. If you use a calculator, 0.98 times 20 will give you 19.6. So 19.6 is equals to x minus 100. So in order to calculate your x, you bring over you take 19.6 plus 100 to give you an x, which is equivalent to 119.6 is equals to x. So in order to have 2% higher of your score, you need to score a value of 119.6. Hope you understand this video to calculate your raw score if you're only given probability. Thank you for watching.